Hey everybody, I know you've seen this before, but this time instead of just checking the place out, I am staying 2 nights here at Endless Summer Resort Dockside. So let's check it out. For some reason the Starbucks here closes at 4 p.m., which seems very early. I mean, I know people get their Starbucks fix in the morning, but And here is the room I've been staying in. This is a 2-bedroom suite. A mini kitchen over here. Got a coffee maker, comes with coffee. I've already put that in my bag. But some condiments, which are powdered cream, sugar alternatives, some plasticware. There's a microwave, some plastic plates and bowls, container for ice. I meant to show you this before I started to stay in the room, but it didn't really work out. But this is basically what it looked like when I came in. Towels, 2 sinks. This is the second bedroom. As you can see, I have a nice view of the pool and a little closet for, well, everyone's stuff. Behind this door, this little safe. So this is not the first time eating at the Dockside's Pier 8 Market, but this is the first time I've been here for breakfast, so let's check it out. There's some grab-and-go stuff here, which is bagels and muffins.
Donut.
Other pastries. Pastries continue over here. Grapefruit diets. Got some sandwiches over here. Eggs, bacon, and things. Over here, some some other selections. Pizza, not nearly as popular right now. Except it's breakfast pizza. Over here, we have chicken and waffles. Oh my God, why would you have fried chicken for breakfast? Some house-made juices and some parfaits. Yeah, I don't know why I call them that. I know it's parfait. Oh, hopefully there's no minions around. These won't last very long if there are. And there's also this smoothie machine, but it's at a lot of things. Like, there should be options here, and there aren't. So after looking at the options, and like I said before, there are a lot of really good options at the Pier 8 Market, even for a super picky person like myself. I decided to go with the Belgian waffle, which wasn't directly off of the waffle iron, but it was recently taken off and put it in a hot box. So I got the strawberries. I was trying to look for some fresh strawberries, but all I could find is the the usual hoop with corn syrup and a little bit of actual strawberry, some more corn syrup, but that, most people, that's what they like. And so I'll see how it is. So it seems that I didn't record audio on this clip. What I was saying is that it's pretty soft and the batter is actually really good. I'm very picky when it comes to Belgian waffles. This one's very good. I might have put too much syrup on it though, but that's my fault. Of course, not too far from the market is a full Starbucks. Just a quick glance at the Universal Studios store here. Of course, Potter stuff over there, some other IP down in the parks, and some stuff for the resort itself. Just a quick overview. I've shown this before. Looks like you got a light out. So this is one of 2 pools, and this is the other pool with the Wave Makers, which is the same font as the Wet n Wild sign used to be. Although there is still a Wet n Wild, this is not the original in Orlando anymore. So I'm staying in Tower 1, which has 4 elevators, except one of them isn't working right now. After finishing my Universal Orlando Pool Challenge, It's time for a very late lunch, and it looks like a good time to be here because there's not very many people trying to eat right now. Looks like it's very well stocked right now. Still got some stuff here from this morning, some donuts and other baked goods. Despite what they told me at the front desk, most of the food stops being served at 10 o'clock. The pizza stops at 11. Last night there wasn't a lot of salads left, but you can tell there's a lot now. Got some sandwiches here. Pretty good. Some prices. Got a bunch of good looking options over here. Some burgers and things. And of course fried stuff. This is going to be tough because there's a lot of things up there that look really good. Ooh, check out the mahi mahi. Still got the pizza over here. Obviously no longer breakfast pizza. So now this isn't working at all. Man, over here is a kids cooler. Currently there are no kids in it. Oh, wait, that's not what it, oh, I got it, never mind. So I got the bacon cheddar cheeseburger, which comes in an onion ring. I forgot that. And I ordered onion rings. Last time we were here, the arcade wasn't open yet. It was in progress. Certainly not much here, but it's more than Aventura has. And for some reason, people are getting their photos taken and just leaving them over here. Don't know why. Even though the game room is automated, it does have hours. For some reason, over at the Red Lobster parking lot, of all places, they're having this weird car show with extremely loud music. Here's another look at that. From up here, it's almost 90 decibels. Since this is my last night in this very echoey room, hopefully this room noise doesn't make it back to the microphone. I'm sure it will. So I decided to get the pizza to go. And also they fixed and refilled the smoothie machine, so that's good. The pizza, I wasn't really sure if it'd be any good, but it's actually really good. Don't know if it's as good as the pizza in Aventura, but it is actually really good. And of course the smoothie, the fruit shake, is also excellent. So it's not just cool to watch it make the drink in front of you. It's also, I think, a really good drink. Probably a bit expensive, but you know, if you're here on vacation, as long as you don't go too crazy, if you have the money, it's worth it. So probably the next thing you'll see is me having breakfast. I mean, I didn't do nothing but eat. It's not like a cruise. Just a lot of the stuff in this hotel I've already shown a few times, and I was also out shooting another video today. To be honest, I'm still full from the pizza last night, so I'm just getting a muffin. And, oh, I got this coffee shakes, bro. Whoa. Or I got a coffee shake anyway. If you've watched the videos on my channel for the Endless Summer Resort Dockside, you know I've been here 2 different times. Once for the grand opening, once again as a follow-up for when the second tower opened. And one of the people who were staying in the suites on opening day were nice enough to let me come in and shoot the room. But this is the first time I'm actually staying here. As you can see, I got plenty of sun today. I did reapply, but I was shooting my pool challenge, which is a separate video, which will be uploaded soon to this channel if it hasn't already. So overall, it would be nice if the elevators were working. The food selection is very good. The pools are very nice. This room is really nice. This suite. I like the little picnic table. It's little too much steaming, but it is nice, and the mini kitchen is nice as well. The beds are nice and soft. The pillows are nice and firm too. And overall, I'd say it's a pretty nice hotel. It is a little annoying because it is an off-site hotel, despite what Universal might say. It is off-site because you have to take a bus to get to the theme parks, City Walk, and pretty much everything else. It's kind of the case for Cabana Bay, though you're at least closer. If you wanted to, you can cross the street and there's Aventura and Sapphire Falls. But here, you're just kind of by yourself. You can see the parks from here. You're not like super far, but it is, of course, a budget-friendly hotel. It is the cheapest hotel which Universal offers. So obviously, you do not get express passes like you do on some of the more expensive ones, Portofino, Hard Rock, Royal Pacific, but you do get early park admission, which is nice. So overall, I mean, I'm paying a special rate for this, but this 2-bedroom suite has plenty of space in it, and it's a good price. So if the other hotels here at Universal are out of your budget, or if you're staying for a long amount of time, you might want to take a look at the Endless Summer Resort. It's not the most exciting building from the outside, but it is pretty nice. So if you're unaware, all of these cocktails are named after Wet n Wild, either directly from the names of the rides or just inspired by the former water park in general. You'll see that this bar looks very similar, including more drinks that are a reference to Wet n Wild. Although Wet n Wild itself, the actual park, was on a land which is now Surfside. Oh, lovely. So this is what the hallways look like. The rare time that housekeeping isn't in it.